good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Isa na namang kapanapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan dito sa STI Cubao. Ayan, shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Ayan, kasama natin ang PNPA or Philippine National Police Academy sa pangunayan ng ating Sir Boy Bonita. Ayan.
Ano yung tubig nila to?
Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dabs ba? Dabs. Go ba? Sir, may light ka? May light. Light here. Light here. Sige. Okay na yan, light na yan.
Ayan, muli sinashoutout po natin ang ating special shoutout kay JJ, Jai, and Tita Mami, and Ate AJ Abonita. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Shoutout po. Galing po yan kay Sir Boy.
Ayan sir, Sir Mark, officers. Ilang na yung representative of our senior officers, pakakapan natin, Sir Anarchy, Police Sergeant Aguilar, Sir Dr. Malana, si Sir Pedro Martinez, at saka pakakapan natin ang buong nakakaliwa sa kata. So, general natin, ating dark and dark versus second light. So meron tayong 5 quarter, 10 minutes each, tapos half time. At the same time, Okay? So, every 10 minutes, obligado ang change. Obligado ang change. Yung 5 minutes yung nasa bench, obligado ang change. Tapos, breaks natin sa 5th quarter. Mahala na kayo. Lago-lago na. Okay? So, welcome to our first Tuloy sa pag-isip. Prayer muna si Major Casino para Amen. So, start na tayo sa ating ano? Doon ako mag-start. Dito ako mag-start. Start na tayo, 5 quarter. So, 5 muna kayo. Ako, wala ko naman ako.
Let's let the battle begin.
Hindi, ito muna
Alright, photops muna.
meron tayo official production.
Oh. Sige po. Ayan, thank you po Sir Boy Abonita for this opportunity para i-cover ang inyong kauna-unahang papawas game dito sa STI Cubao. Kaya maraming po salamat. And also sa lahat ng buo-buo, nandiyan ang kasama natin ang PNPA or Philippine National Police Academy. Ayan. Nandiyan ang Abonita Basketball Academy. And 2007 Lakan Silangan, if I'm not mistaken. Let the battle begin. First quarter tayo. Good luck from both team.
For Team Light, jersey number 16, Police Major Dapat.
Sa ating line.
Region 2, Major Carino.
Oh.
From Region 1, Police Major Alan Manapil.
Hey.
From Region 2 again, si Police Major Bartolome, number 30. From Region 2 again, Police Colonel, soon to be Police General Mario Malala.
Let's go, sir.
Another classmate, Kamalika, soon to be Police Regional General Ariel Nara Pinang. Coach for Team Dark, Police Lieutenant Colonel
Team Dark naman tayo.
Police Major Tom Luzon. Police Lieutenant Colonel CJ Manzano. Police Major Marangge. And Police Major Awin.
Let's go.
Lieutenant Colonel Salonga Christian. And of course, the team captain from Region 2, Police Brigadier General Pedro Marquez.
Hey.
Nakalis natin ang Genesis Production. John Paul Florida.
Yeah, thank you po.
Ang ating committee, PCMS Javier at saka si Brother Pedro.
Yeah, shout out po sa ating mga kasama. Let's go, Ron! Okay, magsisimula na po tayo. 5 minutes. Good luck from both team.
Galing niyo kasi kasi sa mga kasi after na rin meron tayong sprayer tapos may interview tayo ng sprayer natin. Okay, let's go!
Foul lang at saka
Let's start. First ball, makuha na ang Dark. Oh, good. First basket mula sa line. No good. Makuha na line doon. In and out. Number 30 using the glass and score. No good. Rebound ng Light. Out that pass. No. Out of bounds. Dark ball. 5-0. Bounce pass. Kick out to number 22. No good.
8 minutes and 27 seconds. Pedro Marquez ginagawa!
No. Number 30 nagpamadali. Crossover. Drive. Too strong. Basket. Back to back basket. Para sa light blue or light team. Manzano. No good.
Parang dito nga. Charles Carrillo, Napalagi.
Number 98, 4-3, in and out.
Nagkasama na lang ng nasa. Anak ka rin, lahat ng ito. Charles Carrillo,
Out to number 98, 4-3, no good. Out of bounds.
Pedro Marquez. Hawak ang bola. Crossover dribble. Block ang pass. Christian Salonga.
Oy, wala.
Christian Salonga.
Lock. And gets the putback. Ay, Christian Salonga. Nabutos na rin dito ang Lacan Dark. Number 30, kick out to number 98, 4-3. No good, rebound on Dark. Number 23. Kick out to number 20. Correct sa pass. Number 22. No. Out of bounds. No strong. Wow. What an easy basket for number 98.
Ayan na. Medyo pangawin. Pasok sa Salonga. Tumeke. Nakita pa lang ginagawa ng
number 15. 3 seconds violation. Wala dito ng light. No. Out of bounds. 11 seconds. Mandatory kaya sub. Sub. Alright, mandatory substitution. Sarge. Ayan. Sarge, na-under lang natin. Sorry. Sige po. Alright, back to the ball game. Cross-court pass. Floater miss. Number 1 with the putback. Correction is a 9-4 ang ating talahan. Gets a foul. No good. Four, three, no good. Oh, nice move. Ay, Sarge. Abonita. Oy! Na-hype na po rito si Sir Boy. Let's go! 4-10 ang ating talan. Sir Abonita. Up and under. Nakalusot. Let's go! 6-10 ang ating talan. Ayan na. Ang superstar ng Dark Team. Si Sir Abonita. Number 21, 4-3, short. Oopsie. Wala rito ng Dark Team. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Abonita. Bounce pass. Using the glass miss. Rebound. And out of bounds. Last touch. Dark ball. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Abonita setting on the screen. Sir Boy, kick out. Number 50 and drive. Fake. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola mapupunta sa live team. Crossfield pass. Extra pass number 15. Block from behind. And that's a step in on the line. 10-second shot clock to shoot. Bola ng light. Uy. Kick out. 4-3. Oh! 3. Para sa tres. Ay na, outlet pass. Using the board. No. Rebound and light. Official score 13-6 in favor pa rin sa light team. Kick out. Number 15. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 15. And there's a foul. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Number 7. Pass to number 15. Pass to Sir Boy. Bounce pass. Nice pass. Oh! What a nice pass. Galing kay Abonita, Sir Boy. Ayan na. What a nice layup. Nakalusot ang light team. 15-8. Nabawi na agad ang Lakan Light. Sir Boy drive, floater, short, rebound. Makuha pa rin ang Dark to number 7. Pass to number 13, top of the key for 3. Yes, sir! Para sa Tares. By jersey number 13. 15-11 ang ating dalan. Light ball ang matangan ng bola. Number 98. Jump shot is good. By number 98. Last 30 seconds. Pinasa Sir Boy. Floater short. Rebound ng light. Ay na, tumatakbo. Up and under. Gets the foul. Last 20 seconds on the free throw era for the light team. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 19-11. Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Abonita. Kick out to number 13 for 3. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! And that's the end of our first period. Official score is 19-11 in favor of the Lakan Light team. Yan. Alright, tayo na daw na sa ating second quarter. Lamang ang Lakan Light ng 8. Ayan, muli shoutout po sa ating mga ka-PNPA. Ayan, Philippine National Police Academy sa pamunuan ni Sir Boy Abonita. And shoutout din kay sa Abonita Basketball Academy. And 2007. Ayan.
Again, let us acknowledge the presence of the Luis Colonel de la Cruz, member of the Balik Class 1998.
Ayan. Sir De La Cruz. Shoutout po.
And of course, our excellent Director of Intelligence, Police Colonel Noel Espinosa.
Ayan, Sir Noel Espinosa. Shoutout po. Let's go.
Ano sa ipinakas? Ipapasas na ng promotion. Palit-palit.
Okay, yes, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Nineteen 11 po. 19. Kayo po. 1911. Hindi, 1911. Okay, let's start the ball game. Second quarter. Nineteen 11. Oh, what a steal! The dark. Sir Boy derecho. Wow. Nagiinit na ang kanyang kamay. Sir Boy Abonita. 1913. Mabasa 6 ang lamang ng Lakan Light. 4-3. Yes, para sa Tares. At nakasagot ang Lakan Light. Outlet pass, Sir Boy. Derecho, binigay kay Sir 9. Number 9, Salonga, kick out. Sir De La Cruz, jump shot, no. Rebound and out of bounds. Same ball. Bola rito na mapupunta. Time out. Lakan Dark. Official score is 13-22 in favor of the Lakan Light basketball.
Light tayo.
Alright, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Dark and steal for the Light. Outlet pass. All the way. Basket. For jersey number 16. Ayan na. Sir Boy using the glass. Oh! Too small. Ay, Sir Boy. Number 88, no good. Kick out to number 98, 4-3, no good. Gets the foot back. 26-15. Ayan na. Using the glass, no good. Rebound ng Light. Essie, what a nice spin move. Kick out to number 98. Setting on the play. Binagay. Catch and shoot. Short and out of bounds. Sir Boy. Abonita. Nasa corner, jump shot, short, and a rebound ng Dark Team. Top of the key for 3, short, and Sir Boy Abonita gets the putback. Ayan na, babasa 9, 17-26 ang ating talaan. Binigay sa corner, number 30, Hesi, and there's a traveling violation. Running shot and score. 19-26. Nasa sa loob, ang lalim nun, wala. And rebound pa rin ng Light, kick out. Up and under, block from behind. Number 15, pass to Para extra pass, number 15. Wala. Number 23 with the putback. For Lacan Dark. 21-16 and steal by Sir Boy. Abuelita! Grabe naman yun! By Sir Boy. Abuelita, 23-26. Oh, it's a backcourt. Doon na, sir. Doon na. 7 minutes, sir. Time remaining 7 minutes and 8 seconds. 26-23. 4-3 short. And rebound ng Light. And the steal by Sir De La Cruz. Sir number 15, Sir Boy. What a nice behind the back. Ganda naman ang pasa noon. For Hoy Abuelita. Mabasa isang lamang 26-25. Ayun na. What a nice drop pass and score. Nakabawi. 28-25. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang. No good. Rebound number 15. Kick out and bad pass. 2 against 1. Oh, too strong. 6 minutes tayo. Oh, and out of bounds.
1 minute, 46 seconds.
Number 15. There. Ate, huwag ko. 27. 5 minutes 27. Number 15. Hindi siya score 28-27. Baba sa isa ang lamang ng Light team. Sir, dead ball ah. Side step. No good. Oh. Change 5 na ba? Change 5, change 5. Change 5, change 5. Change. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Sige po. Lamang ng isa ang Light team.
Pasok. Lima.
Ayan. Let's go. Mandatory substitution. Ayan. Bola rito ng Light team. Low. Rebound, Sir Boy. Outlet pass. Number 7 and score. Change favor. Lamang na ang Dark team. 29-28. Step back 3. No. Rebound ng Dark team. Outlet pass. Number 1. Pass to Sir Boy. Bounce pass to number 1. Salo. Oh! Let's go. 31-28. Tatlo lamang ng Dark. Jump shot. No. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Sir Boy. Boy nagmamadali. Abuelita. What a pass. Oh! Let's go. 33-28. 5 na ang lamang ng Lacan Dark. Number 21. Jump shot. No. And score. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang. Outlet pass. Oopsie. And a step in on the line. 33. Tatlo. Hindi, kayo. 33-30. Lamang pa rin po ang Lacan Dark. Nakalusot. Wala. Rebound by number 1. Ayan na, nagmamadali ang Dark Team. Pass number 22. Reverse layup. Basket is good. 35-30. Ayan na, babawi rito. Ang Dark, ang Light Team. Jump shot. Short. Sa loob. Basket. Baba ulit sa tatlo ang lamang ng Lacan Dark. Number 7. Side step using the glass. No good. Rebound. And out of bounds. Time out. Time out. Time out. Lacan Dark. Tingnan natin ang kadal ni Coach Boy Aponita for the Lacan Dark. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 44 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Ayan, hanggang 6 quarter po tayo. 6 po, no, sir? 6 po. Oo. Para hati tayo ito. Tatlo. Ayan. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Dark Team. Sir Boy Abonita ang maglalabas. Sino tatanggap? Ayan na. Bounce pass. Number 1 and 1. Wow. What a nice pass para Sir Boy Abonita. Bonus shot. My jersey number 1. Wala. Up and under. Sa loob. Wala. Rebound. Oy. But there's a kick ball. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 82 for 3. Short. Rebound ng Light. Dark Blue. Dark Team. Number 7 behind the back. Oh, and a steal. Bounce pass 2 against 1. Side step. No. Rebound ng Dark Team. Sir Boy Abonita nagmamadali. Oy! No good. Sayang. And a rebound ng Light. And a steal by number 1. Outlet pass, 2 against 1. Number 22, pass to Sir Boy. Abonita, umupo pa. Ay, nawarahang daan, babawi ang Light. Too strong, rebound by number 1. Pass to Sir Boy, 1-on-1. 2 against 1. Sir Boy behind the back. Uy! And a step it on the line. Bola rito ng Light Team. Essie, pinigay. Jump shot, no good. And out of bounds. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Sub. Wait lang po ah. Kailan na sir? Outlet pass. Pass to number 22. Fake drive and score. 41-32 ang ating talaan. Bounce pass from the corner. Uy! Kick out. Step back three. Short rebound ng Dark Team. Outlet pass. Sir Boy. Nagpapadali. Pinigay. Number 13. Uy! And that's offensive foul for Sir Boy. Abuelita. Time out. Time out po. Time out, White. Time out, Light Team. Time remaining. Last 30 seconds.
Score 41-32. Amanda.
Shot.
30 seconds.
Ayan eh. Last 30 seconds. Bola rito na mapupunta sa Light Team. Number 26. Uy, munti ka na magawan. What an extra pass. Uy. Jump shot, no? What a nice rebound and gets the contact and foul. Oh, 9 na lang, 9 na lang, 9.
30 pala, akala ko 13. Akala ko 13 seconds. 9 seconds ha? 9 seconds!
On the free throw area, number 25 for the Light Team. Basket. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Uy, that's a foul. 8 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. First shot is good. 34-41. 8. Bam! 35-41. 8 seconds. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh! What a buzzer beater for Sir Boy Abuelita. Alright, our final score, or end of the second quarter, 35-43 sa pagkatapos ng ating second quarter. Alright, magkangat pa man tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second. Hindi, hati naman tayo sa third quarter. Let's go, third quarter. Hanggang 6 po to, hanggang 6 ang ating bali, same pa rin po, same court pa rin, no? Same court pa rin. Same court pa rin po.
Start.
Same court pa rin po.
Alex, yes sir. Start na, third quarter. Tong, start na Tong. Third quarter ang...
Okay, third quarter.
Okay, start the third quarter. Ano score?
43-35.
43-35. Dark leading by 8. Isang Pedro. Yan. Okay.
Let's go.
Ito, hindi na wala.
Light, Kurt. Light, ano ba? Sorry, correction. Dark ball.
Exceeded. Pasok po sa saranda.
No. 37, 43. Uy, wala. Nasa sa corner. Stop and pop. Basket is good. For Christian Salonga. Last corner. Wide open. Bang! Baba sa lima ang lamang. 45. 40. Sorry. 4-3. Bang! 48-40. Balik sa walo ang lamang. Yes, in the right. Low. Number 9, kick out. Sir De La Cruz, no good. Rebound by number 30. Outlet pass. Number 15. What a nice shot by number 15. Good, good, good. Guys sa corner, Sir Salonga. Christian. Christian to Sir De La Cruz. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Basket count and one for the Dark team by jersey number 1. 50-42. On the free throw area for a bonus shot by jersey number 1. No, oopsie. Last touch. Same light ball. Bola dito ng mga nakaputi. Basket. 44-50. Lama baba sa 6. Number 23 to number 1. It's a foul.
Number 15. Number 15. Ilan na number 15? Bridge Buckets. Number 15. Parangge. Another paper. For Parangge. Parangge.
Number 1, no good.
Nilabas na sila. Pasok rin sa dalawa.
Basket by jersey number 1. Ganda ng pasa, yun lang, wala. Rebound ng Dark team. Uy, ganda naman ang pasa na yun. 54-44, 10-point lead. Drive, no good. Rebound by number 1. Steal. Number 8, basket. Number 46-54. Balik sa 8 ang lamangan ng Lakan Dark. No, rebound by number 15. Number 30, wala.
Back ball. Score.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Sir. Sir, 5 minutes time out. 5 minutes time out.
Alright.
Time out.
Time out. Light. PM.
Time out.
54-46 in favor of the Lacan Dark. Ito natin ang huddle ng Lacan Dark Light dito for this time out. 54-46.
54. Naman ng Dark. 5 minutes remaining. On the period of 3.
Alright, back to the ball game.
To the ball game. Bola ng Dark.
Ano po? Walang.
Naman ng Dark.
5 minutes, let's go. Lamang ng 8 ang Team Dark. Lacan Dark. Number 22, binigay sa corner. 4-3, too strong. Rebound by Sir Boy. Fake, uy. Uy, grabe naman yun. Sir Boy, you made a showtime. Ayan na, number 52. Nakasagot ang light for the Dagger 3. 56-49. Pito na lang ang lamang. Kick out. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Kick out to number 7. Jump shot, short. Rebound ng light. Out and pass. 2 against 1. Step back 3. Bang! What a Dagger 3! Back-to-back 3-point para sa mga naka-light. Ayan na. 4 na lang ang nahabol. 56-52. Oh, and a steal! Pass number 16. No. Kick out. Wide open. No good. Ayan na. Amanita. Uy! Grabe naman yun. Condition na kondisyon. Sir Boy. Kick out. Wide open. Bang! Nagpapawalan na ng tres. Ang 55-58. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng Dark Team. Babawi sa tres. Oh! At nakabawi na nga ang Dark Team. Number 21. Kick out. Uy, block. But there is a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Bola rito ng Light Team. 61-55. Number 21. Basket. 57-61. Number 13, nabitawan. And steal by number 27. Uy, gets a foul. Nice, Sir Boy. Abonita. Ayun na daw, Lima na po. According sa ating official, 5 na daw po. Oh, nag-change na po. Nag-change na. Number 21 on the free throw area. Basket. 58 na po. 50. Short. Tatlo lang po ang lamang ng Team Lacan Dark. Bola ng mga naka-Dark Team. Number 22. Passer Boy, pass to number 22. Yes, sir. Ayan na, 63. 58. Uy. Wide open. Oh, good. Wow! At may sagot agad ang Team Light. Sir Boy! Wow! 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 What a side step! Orca Boy! Abonita! Nakakarami na siya doon. Ano na kasis? Oy! Wala! And rebound. Ay naman, Sir Boy. Nagmamadali 2 against 2. Abonita pick. Pick. Isa pa. Uy! Seal! Ayun na. What a pass. Easy basket. Tatlo na lang ang lamang. 63, 62, 65. Last 1 minute. Bola rito ng Team Dark. Number 22, pick. Gets the... Uy, that's a trouble. Last 46 seconds. Kick out. 4-3. No. Kick out. 4-3. Short. Last 28 seconds. Oy, wala. Isa pa. Basket. Last 20 seconds. 17. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 62-67. Ayan, lamang pa rin ng 5 ang Team Dark. Lakan, magbabalik po tayo para sa ating second half. Ayan, muli maraming salamat po sa San Sinirangan 2007 Leadership BSPS. Ayan, Discipline, Honor, Excellence. And shoutout din po sa ating PNP. Ayan, National Police Academy. Ayan, the leadership of our kapulisan ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Siyempre, shoutout din po sa Bonita Basketball Academy. Yun. Ayan, shoutout din kay Idol, Sir Genesis. Ayan, kasama ko sa MISL. Ayan, shoutout mo si our official photographer. Alright, magkapa tayo for the meantime at magbabalik po tayo for our second half. Ayan. Coach, change court na po, change court. Kilat ko ba? Kilat ko ba para? 1 hour na kasi. Nakat ko ba? Tawa.
Napapanood po kayo ngayon sa mga kamalaman nyo sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Sa laro nito.
Ayan, second quarter po tayo. Second half.
Anarchy.
And that's a 3 seconds violation. Short. Ayan, time out muna dito ang Team Dark. Ayan. Shoutout po sa Philippine National Police Academy. Sa pumunan ni Sir Boy Abonita and San Sirangan 2007 rather. Ayan, sa Abonita Basketball Academy, Delacan, Boleros. Ayan, syempre, special shoutout kay JJ Jai Tita Mami and Ate AJ Abonita. Ayan, from Abonita family. The Abonita Basketball Academy. Ayan, maraming po salamat. Alright, back to the ball game po. Tayo. Alright, game ball. Oh! What a 3-point for the Dark Team. Out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito, mapupunta sa Dark Team. 70-62, number 23, top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa Torres. By jersey number 23. Ayan na, nagpapaula na rin dito ang Lakan Dark Team. Number 05. Babawi si Sir for 3. Yes, para sa Torres. May sagot doon ang Team Light. 65-73. Babawi din sa Torres. Wala. Rebound ng Light. Outlet pass to number 23. Number 23. Bounce pass. Up and under. No good. Rebound by number 1. Ayun na ang Dark Team. Doon babadali. Oy! Number 23. Kick out. Wide open. Short. And out of bounds. Bola rito. Mapumunta sa Lakan Light Team. Wide open. Another 3-point for the Team Light. 68-73. 5 na lang ang uling inahabol ng Lakan Light Team. Wala. Rebound ng Light Boy. Ay na, tumatakbo. Number 9, all the way. Basket yan for the Team Light. Tatlo na lang ang inahabol ng Lakan Dark. Pass number 23, Essie. Number 1, and there's a traveling violation. $73-70. Ayan na, bola ng Light Team. The Lakan Light. Setting on the screen. Bounce pass. Ganda naman. Uy, too strong. Rebound by number 1. Ayan na, Dark Team. Number 23, Manzano. Sir Manzano. There's Salonga. Pass Sir Manzano. Wait, gets the contact and 1. Basket count. May kasama pang foul pa Sir Manzano. Ayun na, balik sa 5 ang lamang ng Team Dark. 75-70. Second shot is good. 76-70. 6 ang lamang ng Dark Team. Ayun na, kick out to number 23. Binigay sa corner. Oh, steal by number 23. Number 23. And steal. Bounce pass. Drive and score. Baba sa 4. Oh, 76-72. Sir Manzano setting on the play. Manzano, bounce pass, and steal. Uy! Mawa rito ng Dark Team, number 1. Pinasa. Christian kick out. Wide open, short. Rebound by number 1. Nagagawan. Pass to Sir De La Cruz. Drive using the ball. No good. Outlet pass. Number 98, all the way. Basket. Dalawa na lang ang ilahabol. 76-74. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Wide open, short. Rebound ng Dark. Kick out. Sir Salonga, jump shot is good. 78-74, balik sa apat ng lamang ng Team Lakan Dark. Apat po. Ay, sub. Wide open, bam! Sub. 77-76, lamang na po kayo ng isa. Fourth. Hanggang 6 na po tayo, 6 quarter. Bola rito ng Dark Ball. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 7. Kick out. Number 15. Fake. What an extra pass. Block. Rebound dito ng Light. Ay na tumatakbo. Number 05. Kick out. Binigay sa loob. Kick out to number 82. Wide open. Wow! 3. Jersey number 82. Babawi naman doon sa kabila. 78-80. Dalawa namang ng Light team. Babawi ulit sa tres. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Oh, still. Last touch. Dark Ball. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Number 7. Pinigay kay number 22. Jump shot is good. Tabla tayo. All 80. Ayan na. Maganda na laban na to. Oh, and a steal. Sir Boy. All the way. Akin na to. Hindi ka na magawa. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Dark. Babawi sa 3. Oh, ito. Number 7. Basket. 4 na ang lamang ng Dark. 84-80. Uy, block. Number 16. With a putback. 84-82. Number 7, Hesi. Number 7. Number 15. No good. Ayun na ang Dark Light team. Number 05 all the way. Basket yan. Tabla tayo sa 84. All to 84. Last 2 minutes. Sir Boy, Hesi. Sir Boy, drive. No, you get their own miss. Basket. Ayan na, 86-84. Kick out. Wide open. No. Rebound ng Light Blue. Pinasa loob. Pick. Sa gitna. Basket na naman. Tabla ulit tayo sa 86. Sir Abonita, bounce pass to number 22. Drive and gets a foul. On the free throw area, number 22. Basket. 87-86. Lamang na ulit ang Dark team. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Wala. Ayan. Sa mga katsyon nila po hanggang 6 quarter tayo. What an extra pass! Basket is good. 89-86. Tatlo na ulit ang lamang. Last 50 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. 6, 5. Up! 24 seconds. Shot clock violation. Last 30 seconds. Number 13, spin move. Oh, wala. Last 20. Number 16, out and pass. Oy. Behind the back, wide open, short. Isa pa, basket. Last 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oh, inahabol na naman. Official score, 89. Tama ba? 89, 88. Isa lang. Isa lang po, isa. Alright, tayo tatawag na sa ating fifth set or fifth quarter. 91-88. 5 minutes po. Hanggang 6 quarter po. 6 quarter. Alright, tayo dadawin na po sa ating 5th quarter. Ayan. 91-88. Naka-buzzer beater pa ulit si Coach. Coach Boy.
Fifth pa lang sir. May isa pa.
Isa pa po. Dalawa ba? Dalawa.
6 quarter yan sir.
Hanggang 6. 5 pa. Tatlo.
Ang ganda ng mga 3 points sir.
Ganda ng sagot. Alright. Tayo dadawin na po sa ating 5th quarter. Ayan, 5th quarter na tayo. Let's go. And shoutout po ulit kay Sir Boy. Hey! Ayan sa Abonita family kay Sir kila Mami Abonita and Jai and Jay. Ayan 5th quarter, let's go. Jump shot, no. Fake. Number 23, 4-3, wala. Wide open, wala. Rebound, good. Side step, 2 against 3. Esip, step back 3, short. Rebound ng Dark Team. Uy, nakalusot. Number 23. Pinigay kay number 15. Jump shot, no good. Isa pa. Layup, uno. Rebound ng number 23. What a pass, number 15. Too strong. Isa pa. Uy. What a block. From behind. Bola rito mapupunta sa Dark. Floater basket. 93-88. Balik sa 5 ang lamang ng light, Lakan Dark. Fake to number 98. Number 98. Nakalusot. Quit the basket yan for number 98. Ayan na, 93-90. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng Lakan Dark. Babawi sa 3. No! Rebound by number 23. Ayan na ang light team. Number 30. Pinasa sa corner. What an extra pass. Number 23. Ayan na, isa na lang. 93. 92. Number 15, walang tawag, isa pa, and gets the foul. Wala pa. Isa pa lang.
Baka, pero sa Kalinol, pito lang.
No good. Second shot, basket. 94-92. Abo, dalawa ang Dark Team. 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Wide open. Bam! Change favor. Lamang ng isa ang Lative Light. Ayan na, lamang na po ang mga naputi. Uy, wala. Rebound. Ayan na ang Light Team.
Pinasa sa number 30. Number 30, sir.
Number 30 to number 23. Basket. Ayan na, tatlo na ulit ang lamang ng Light. Manzano and 1. Basket count and 1 by number 23. Sana na po, lamang. 97-96 lamang pa rin ang Light Team. Manzano, Sir Manzano to tie the game. Oh, tabla na tayo. Sa 97. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Wala rito ng mga nakaputi. Nasa corner, wide open. Drive. Wala. Rebound ng Dark Team. To number 23. Pass to number 15. Binalik. Number 23. Too strong. Rebound number 1. And score. By jersey number 1. Ayun na, balik ang kalamangan sa Dark Team. 99-97. Lamang dito ang Lakan Dark. SE, pass to number 98. Pass to number 30. Number 30 naipit. Kick out. Step back to rebound. Yes, sir. Tabla tayo. Change favor. Lamang lang isa. 199. Floater basket by Sir Manzano. Ayan, change court na. Change 5 na tayo, ha. Hop. Ep. Time out. Sub. Alright, change 5 po tayo. 102-101. Ayan, change 5 po tayo for our 5 minutes. 102-101. Lamang po ang Light Team. Last 5 minutes. Step back 3. Short. Wala pa rin. Gets the bump shot. Oh, bad pass. Rebound ng Lakan Light. Number 88, 4-3. No. Rebound. Ayan na. Sir Boy Abonita. What a pass. No good. Rebound. Mawawala Sir Boy. Bonita. Essie, binigay sa corner. Fake pass number 7. Nilabas, pinas sa loob, and steal. Ayan na ang light team. Bounce pass. What a pass. Unselfish play para sa Lakan Light. 104-101. Number 22, drive, wala. And rebound ng Light team. Number 21, drive and score.
10 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. 106-101. Number 7.
Oy, too strong. Sir Boy, Bonita. Uy!
2 minutes, 19 seconds remaining. 1-0. Binigay sa number 9. Wala. Serve na lang.
Basket.
110.
110-105. Sir Bonita. 107-110. No good. Oh, there's a foul.
Lamang pa rin ang line ng tatlong puntos. Free throw, number 22. First free throw, first free throw. Pangalawang free throw.
Basket. 108-110. Babasa dalawa ang lamang ng team Dark. Uy, what a nice dunk time. Hey, steal. And out of bounds. Last 1 minute for the 5th quarter. Sir Boy Bonita, metakan ng bola. Bonita, sir. Kick out. Wide open. No good. Number 22. Jump shot, in and out. Ayun na, tumatakbo. Ang light. Wide open. No, uy. Wala pa rin. Sa loob, wala pa rin. Isa pa, loob. Number 5. And that's a trouble. Last 11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining.
Oshma, 11 seconds, 11 seconds. 11 seconds, 11. 11 seconds. 10. Shy. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of our Fifth quarter official score is 108, 112. Lamang pa rin po dito ang Lacan Light. Ayan. Lamang po ang Lacan Light. Tayo dadawan na sa ating 6th set or 6th quarter.
Tignan natin. Susunod. 6 and final quarter. 6 and final quarter. 10 minutes. 4 points sa mga kahit sino na pwede pasok dito ha. Kahit sino na pwede pasok.
Ayan, kahit sino na po pwedeng pasok.
For the last quarter.
For our last quarter, 112, 108. Ayan na. Final quarter na tayo. Let's go! Ayan, sino kaya ang unang makakakuha ng panalo? Ngayong sing na pa first Papawis game, short. Wide open, no good. Number 98. Uy, wala pa rin. De La Cruz against the foul. On the free throw area, sir. De La Cruz. 112, 117. Basket for Sir De La Cruz, 109, 112. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang. Eight seconds, 7 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 2. Wala. Good, 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 good. Sir De La Cruz, kick out. Oh, good. Rebound right. And there's a foul. Number 16. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Kick out behind the back. The number 21 gets the foul again. That is second second team foul. Wide open. Uy. Uy, wala tawag. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 15. No good. Basket by number 23. Labang ng isa, 111, 112. Nasa gitna. Bounce pass. Uy, out of bounds. Sub. Pasok. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 13. Wala. Basket. Lamang na lang isa. 109, 113, 112. Uy, out of bounds. Time out, time out. Time out, Lakan Light. Official score 113, 112. 1 point lead for the Dark Lakan. Tingnan natin ang hadal ng Team Light dito. Seven minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Lakan Dark with 1 point lead. 113, 112. Manzano. Take out. Jump shot. Wow. 115, 112. Tatlo na po lamang ng Team Dark. Cross court pass. Kick out. Back number 98, 4-3. No. Gets a foul.
Number 1. Substitution.
6 minutes and 26 seconds. Substitution. Sir Auron coming in. No good. Second shot. Basket. 113, 115. Right, no. Wide open, no. Still. Basket. Tabla tayo sa 115. All. Number 23, basket. Balik ang kalamangan sa Dark. 2-point lead. 117, 115. Wala pa rin. And basket is good. Last 5 minutes, 5 minutes po. 5 minutes. Number 23, fake. 4-3, wala. Rebound by number 15 to number 22. Jump shot is good. 119, 115, 4-point lead. Apat ang lamang ng Dark. Wide open! Yes, sir! Babasa isa. Number 23 against the contact. May foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Number 13, it's your third
Manzano on the free throw area. Basket. 120. 118. Second shot for Sir Manzano. Basket 2 for 2. Tatlo ulit ang lamang. Number 30. Nasa corner for 3. In and out. Rebound. There's a foul. Number 1.
Remaining time,
3 minutes.
45 seconds. 121 remaining.
Tatlo. 3-point lead for Dal Dark. Number 98, pinasa loob. Floater, basket. Down by 1. 1-0, 121. Grabe naman naman nakalusot. $123, 120. 4-3, no. Number 7, no good. Number 30, wala. Iba, number 30, fake. It's a foul. Tatlo na po, tatlo. Almost 3 minutes na lamang. 2 shots, basket. Dalawa na lang. Dumidikit na po ang light team. Ayan na, wala. Rebound. Counted. Basket count. Basket count. And 125. 121. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. One, 2, 5, 1, 2, 1. Basket. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 1. 5 ang lamang ng Team Dark Lacan. Kick out for 3, short. Gets the putback. Ayan na. Tatlo na lang. 126, 123. The number 1. Pass to Sir Boy. 11 seconds to shoot. Floater. Wow. Napakamarala. Uy. No good. Out of bounds. Good defense. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Para sa ating 6 or final quarter. Number 1 to number 15. Oh, rebound. Number 9. Ooh, nice move. Dalawa na lang. 125, 127. Sir Boy, pinasa kay number 7. Jump shot is good. 129, 125. Balik sa apat. Opo. Last quarter na po. Jump shot! Oy, wala! Rebound! Ayun na, last 1 minute. Number 15. Basket is good. Balik sa anim, ang lamang. Last 50 seconds. What? Uy, wala. Uy, good. Last 35 seconds, 35. Last 30 seconds. Apat lang lamang against the foul. Apat.
Penalty na? Hindi pa. Isa pa.
Ayan. Lapit na tayo mag-penalty from both team. Time out muna dito ang team Lakan Dark. 131, 127. Tinada ng Adel.
Naman Dark Sir, 4 points. 131. 127. Remaining time, 21 seconds.
Tinada ng Adel ni Coach. Na-play Coach, Sir Boy Abonita. For this time out.
May time out pa kami? May time out pa kami? Busin mo na.
Nag-usus po yung tanong sa isang
Pagtapos free throw tayo. Basket count. Hindi pumasok ka. Time out pa rin. Hindi, para lang natin. Bubusin yan. May count 3 games. Pwede.
Wala pa pa. Both teams warning for penalty. Ayan na. Last 21 seconds. Bonita, Sir Boy. Oy, good still. Ayan na, tumatakbo. Oy! Yes, a foul. Sayang, mati ka na. Mati ka mapagaw. Lakan light under penalty situation. 131, 127. Bam! Good, 9, 8, 7. Oops. 7 seconds.
7 seconds remaining.
Last 7 seconds. Sino tatanggap? Binigay. Number 7. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, Lakan Dark, and nice game para sa Lakan Light. Ayan, congratulations.
Congratulations, mga kamandakat! Sir, ano na magkakaroon kasi may Victoria po mo tayo, sir.
Ayan.
Picture kita.
Alright.
Let's go.
Photos muna tayo. Picture. Ayan, our final score, 134 to 127. Panalo po ang Lakan Dark and nice game from Lakan Light.
Oh, yung mga 20 minutes kayo, ano na kayo? Yan. Dito, 20 ka.
Ayan. Sama po kayo. Ano po? Ayan. Sama. Ayan, congrats po. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa PNPA, Philippine National Police Academy, sa pangunguna yan ni Sir Abonita. Abonita Basketball Academy. Shoutout po. Ayan, muli, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo. Shoutout po to all.
Good night and nice day. Nice day. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sunod-sunod na naman. Ganyan ba pala ko ng underclass?
Yes! Yung dyan pa ulit. Yan ako lang. Repost ko na lang.
Next, ano mga next? Ay,
Jan Paolo po, Florida. Face it again.
John Paul Florida, ang ating Facebook, live photographer, Genesis Production.
Ayan.
Tapos sa ating community, si Brother Jeff, si Brother Tony. Sir Lee. Christian. Oy, ibalo nyo, John Paul Florida, Genesis. Christian. Kuya, saan ka pa? Ano ka muna? Alan. Asistante, bawal lang kami sa video para sa next game. Ako muna. Pagkatinag ka rin naman.
You know? Yes, sir. Ayan.
makapunta ako ng pulis dyan.
Yung mga upper-class na nag-break, hindi na pinigyan sa mga pasasara, pwede pinigyan ng 2,000, nalagyan sa akin. Wala na problema. Bilista niya lahat. Mga under-six, 1,000 na lahat. Yung mga pasasara, pwede nila 2,000, nalagyan na. Bilista niya naman. Ikaw na lang. Next. Sino pa ka picture? Pati yung sis. Picture. Picture. Tapos ito ka na natin. Ito mga mag-refer kami sa picture, sir. Nasa ano ko po, sir. I-edit lang yung mga sir. Tapos i-pang-creation ng picture. Brigadier General Morel Espinosa. Sir, gagawin na natin ngayon sa Administration kasi sa naano. May interview na sa best player at saka sa defensive player of the game.
Sino pa, sir?
Sino pa?
Ayan.
Sino best player?
Uy, yun ah! Grabe, nagtakin talaga ba?
Our defensive player of the game, Police Colonel Ray De La Cruz.
Yes, sir.
And of course, best player of the game, with 89 points, best players of the game. Ito mga naman sa screen.
Sa kapag.
Best player of the game is police player, 99 points. And police player, Lolita with 24. Congratulations, sir.
Hello po. Sir.
Sir Manzano, Major Manzano. Go.
Ayan. Sir Major Manzano. Sir, congratulations. Ikaw po ang tinanghal na best player of the game. Anong pakiramdam po sa laban na ito? At anong naging sekreto ng inyong team para manalo sa laban na ito? Ayan.
Sa aking napaka-team napaka-class, at sa ating mga senior officers,
Yeah, we're live.
andyan na nagkawabay sa akin lahat ng aming gawain. At ang sikreto na natin is teamwork. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Ayan. Ay, sino ba? Ano okay na?
Ako. Ay, Arin!
Ang ating ayun.
Interview.
Alright, our best player of the game, Sir Abonita, with the 30 points. Ayan, congratulations, sir. At ikaw ngayon tinanghal na best player of the game. Grabe ang naging performance mo ngayon. Anong naging sekreto niyo ng team? At sino ang iyong inspiration ngayong gabing ito?
Una-una, before I answer your question, JP, nagpapasalamat ako sa kung may kapal na binigyan kami ng strength. Not only sa nanalong team, also doon sa aming katunggali na well-deserved din naman. So, ang inspirasyon ko dito, JP, going back to your question, is yung family ko, of course. Jai, si Mami, at saka si AJ. So, yung Abonita Monsters, Monsters Inc. at saka Abonita Basketball Academy. Yung sikreto, wala siguro sikreto kasi ngayon lang kami nagkakita-kita ng mga lakan. And at the same time, in-organize namin to sa tulong ng Abonita Basketball Academy at saka Lakan Boleros NHQ. So again, ini-invite po namin lahat na lakan every Tuesday dito sa STI Cubao, 6 to 8 p.m. Kompleto po tayo. Meron po tayong timer, referee, videographer, photographer, punta lang po kayo. So, ini-invite namin lahat ng lakans po na pumunta dito. So, thank you very much. Mabuhay po ang lahat ng pumunta dito sa first Lakan Boleros Papawis Gaming. Thank you very much kay JP, John Paul Florida, Genesis Productions sa comedy. Thank you very much.
Thank you po, sir. Good night, everyone. Keep safe hanggang sa muli. Yeah.